Just a quick update to my camera track dolly here. So here is the 3D printed trucks for the dolly, and this is one of the prototypes. And then I printed out 3 of them, and then I got a bunch of wheels that I attached to these 3 trucks here. And as you can see, if we do a little test here, it is really smooth. Very smooth. So that is quite an upgrade from my previous wheels. The only thing I might perhaps wanted to do differently here is to put this attachment point way over here, because now I'm actually losing like 5 plus 5 centimeters of the entire track, because this part shoots out. So basically it makes the dolly 10 centimeters bigger. But you know, I'm not gonna redo these just because of that. I think this works fine. I'm actually gonna make these available at my Gumroad page if you want to print them yourself. It took me about 2 hours to print one of these on my Bambu Labs P1S. Another thing that I discovered trying the setup, you have this space between the 2 pipes that you can walk in. So I can walk just behind the camera here and make sure it's all smooth and nice. That is why I love a 3D printer, because you can just do just a little modification of the stuff that you already have, and you get much more use out of the stuff that you already have. So it's a short update here, and if you got any questions, let me know in the comment section. See you in the next one. Bye!